Welcome back to Tuesday Tips by Quidos Cleaning Services, your local trusted professional cleaner. Want to clean like a pro with minimal effort? Stick around for expert hacks that are as easy as they are effective. Dull cutlery? It's a common issue. Take a piece of tin foil and scrunch it into a palm-sized ball. Place it in your dishwasher for a shine that rivals a professional cleaning service. Why does this work? The aluminium reacts with the dishwasher detergent for an extra sparkle. Next up, the oven, a place many dread to clean. We professionally clean ovens and know how tough it can be. But here's a secret. Slice fresh lemons and place them in a dish with hot water. Heat for 20 minutes. The steam loosens the grime, making it easy to wipe away. Bonus! 0 chemicals and a fresh citrus scent. Ever find that your bathroom mirror fogs up just when you need it clear? A pro tip from Quidos Cleaning Services. Use shaving foam on your bathroom mirrors. This acts as a barrier, preventing fogging for a crystal clear reflection every time. Ready to clean like the pros at Quidos Cleaning Services? Grab your tin foil, fresh lemons and shaving foam, and let's make your home shine. Impressed by these professional cleaning secrets? Don't keep them to yourself. Like, follow, and share for more invaluable Tuesday tips straight from the cleaning pros.